To understand the true nature of the universe, there are a few ideas that pretty much everyone agrees on. Like, there's an objective reality made of space and time, or nothing can travel faster than light, and things that happen are caused by other things, but we humans are free to choose what we do. These ideas make up our modern view of reality, but there's a problem. They can't actually all be right at the same time. Why's that? Well, in the quantum world, two particles, like photons, can be entangled so that when you observe one, it affects the other. When this happens, we know that some sort of weird influence travels between the particles almost instantaneously, faster than even the speed of light. But according to Einstein's theory of special relativity, nothing can travel faster than light. So either relativity is wrong, or somehow reality is bigger than just normal space and time. But in fact, either way, stuff that travels faster than light is a major problem. Since space and time are woven together, sending an influence faster than light means you can send it back in time. And that means you could have all kinds of weird things, like effects happening before the things that cause them. How does that work? Well, just like how quantum particles can sort of be in two places at once, recent research says it may be possible for them to be at two different times at once. This means that at the most basic level of the universe, cause and effect may be meaningless. But it gets even worse. At its heart, quantum mechanics can never tell you exactly where a particle will be. It only gives probabilities. And it's not like if we only had more information or better math, we could make a more precise prediction. The only way to know what a particle will do is for us to choose to measure it. Until then, it actually really is fundamentally random. Unless we aren't actually choosing anything. If we get rid of the idea that we had a choice of when and how we measured the particle, then maybe it was somehow destined to be where and when we found it. That would mean that fundamental reality isn't random, but it would also mean we have no free will. We'd have to believe our choices are just illusions, and consciousness is just a side effect of completely predictable chemical reactions going on in our brains. Or something like that. So, if you like relativity, you can't have normal space and time. And if you want cause and effect, you can't have free will. Our best theories about the way the universe works contradict each other. Does that mean science is wrong? Not really. What's more likely is that our brains evolved to understand space and time, or cause and effect, because those things have mattered for our survival for most of our evolutionary history. But while they may be important to us humans, nothing says that space and time, or cause and effect, have to be key features of the universe. That doesn't mean reality is actually controlled by, invisible unicorns. Just that understanding the true nature of life, the universe, and everything was never supposed to be easy.